Hey guys, Justin Labato here with Autogeek.com, and we're here live at SEMA 2022 with Steve Persia, System X. And what we want to introduce to you guys today is a product called Renew that they have to offer. Now, Steve, tell me a little bit about this product and the benefits of it.
Yeah, so System X Renew is a 9-month ceramic coating that you can spray on. It's very, very slick and very easy to use.
So this is something that could also work as a standalone, is by itself. You don't have to have any existing protection, but obviously if you want to add protection, it would be great there for up to 9 months.
100%, yeah, it's a great standalone and also adds a lot of benefits to put on top of other coatings.
On top of other coatings. So obviously you want to work with System X coatings when you're applying it, but this will still complement other coatings that are on a vehicle as well.
Oh yeah, it will make other coatings slicker than original.
Really?
Yes.
So this will kind of complement their existing hydrophobic characteristics, but really add that edge of slickness that most people really like to have.
Yeah, the touch and feel.
That instant gratification of like, ooh, I like that.
Yep, 100%.
Awesome, okay.
Yeah.
So as far as the application process, what do you recommend in regards to applying it?
Applying it, of course you want to do your proper decon and wash, but application-wise, you can just spray onto the panel, use a microfiber and buff clean, and then flip it over to get any of the extra residue that could be left behind.
If you want to learn more about System X and Renew, of course, visit us at Autogeek.com.